Here's a really good example around the outcomes of the maturity assessment that we did with an organisation. And I guess in summary, what it's trying to demonstrate is results around the overall performance of psychosocial management within an organisation. So the first pillar there on the left-hand side, looking at all those broad factors based on survey results, what their people are saying around the 4 aspects there. So on those 4 aspects in particular, this organisation was rated as capable. But around their systems and their processes, not quite as good at the developing stage. And then working with the organisation, understanding the levers for change, we're able to then focus on values, beliefs, job design, and again, change management as being a bit of a challenge for that organisation, with the understanding that underneath each of those levers were a bunch of specific areas of focus based on the diagnostics that were provided. So yeah, really understanding the overall performance, what people are saying, what the systems are saying, and where the capability should focus to improve psychosocial outcomes.